It's your motherfucking boy, Ava. We in Irvington Center right now.
You already know.
Getting ready to go to the Teairra Mari show. About to go do my thing real quick. Now I mean, shout out to everybody who coming. All of y'all, I love y'all. Thank you, niggas. Stop behind the can.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. You
already know.
You know, we out here, man. We chilling.
So what you about to do? Like, what's the show? Like, you got something special?
Yeah, we have motherfucking Okay. Also got something real big. You know what I'm saying? Shit, it's gonna be a big wave, my nigga. Like, it's about to be real serious. You heard?
You already. You already.
Deal me.
The boy Ava,
shout out
man.
to my nigga Stark. That's my motherfucker. That's my right hand shooter right there.
Hey, you already.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't playing no game. That's when you see the nigga, you just gotta go pop. You know what I'm saying?
Blocker.
Yeah. Shout out to everybody, man. We about to have a good ass time. We got the people out here. We chilling.
Yeah.
It's about what? 5:53.
About that.
We gotta be there by 7:30, so we gonna catch y'all on the pad, bugging the fuck out.
You already.
You dig?
Alright.
Holla. Yo, it's the motherfucking Kid 88 music group right here.
Yeah.
Yo, your boy Cliff Poe, man.
You dig?
Shouts out my nigga Ava, man.
Yeah.
About to rip this show, man. Tell me where we gonna be at, man.
Yo, we about to go to N.Y.C, his spot.
You already.
Of course.
We about to go to Pearl Studios and perform in front of Teairra Mari. Shout out to Elph from Love and Hip Hop.
Teairra Mari, you see this? I love you. I want to marry you. I'm gonna propose. Nah, but real talk, dog. Like, I'm in love with that lady.
You did? You did?
But that's some other
that
shit.
Nigga Adonis over there, he macking and shit. Hey, Adonis, Nick. Cam, Nick.
Yeah. All day.
We recording, nigga. Yeah. This nigga posing and shit. This nigga, yo.
Shit.
You know, we chillin', we out here. We in the bricks right now. We getting ready to take it over to N.Y.C. Start behind the can. Two niggas with dreads.
Hey, holding it down, man.
Hold on.
Shout
They
to everybody
mean
else
for the first time.
They
mean for the first time. You know, we getting it right.
Yes, sir.
We got the lovely ladies. Yeah, come on, son. You know I got to do it.
The nigga Ava,
We about to open it up.
Beast, man. Don't forget the nigga doing it big, man. You know.
All y'all doing it big.
They gonna recognize this shit too.
Yeah. Hey yo, it's your boy Adonis. You know?
Yo, I gotta tell you one thing though, my nigga.
What
When
up,
you on that stage, man, don't pull out a notebook, man.
Here you go with this cannabis shit. Nigga been cracking on cannabis all fucking. Yo, every time I go on Facebook, hold on, give me a can real quick. Every time I go on Facebook, I'm seeing something about cannabis with Blues Clues. He opening up. We high, we fucked up.
Nigga look like a burnt toothpick.
God damn.
Yo.
I've been going in on
Oh my
cannabis
God. Yo, man.
Nah,
cause they had the battle. I
on
said,
national
damn.
TV. This nigga pull
I
out
said,
a fucking
goddamn.
notebook, man.
Yo, man.
That's why the niggas told you not to pull out no notebook.
Word. Yo, we gonna catch y'all niggas, man. Stop behind the cam.
You already know, man.
And we out, man.
We out, nigga.
Feel me?
We out.
Cheers to NY, nigga.
We out, nigga.
Cheers to NY. You feel me?
Yeah.
That's how we doing it, man.
Talking about show you how I go down. You know, where the music at? Where the music at? Oh, yeah,
You cannabis now, boy?
No, we pulling out the music. Y'all ready, right? Hold on. We gotta go like this.
Like this? Oh, shit. That nigga's wild. Hey, yo, if you do that shit, hey, I'm dead, son. First of all, when is he gonna be rapping? He's gonna be oh shit! You hear this shit? Gotta zoom in and shit.
show them what's in it.
Oh, shit, I forgot, yo.
You did that with drinking shit. That's why I drink that bottle.
Marry that no more.
That's the nigga who was singing niggas on purpose and shit. He's like, bro, so hard, motherfuckers wanna burn me.
That shit crack. Oh, shit.
Bro, so hard.
Let's go, Jay. Yo, I went to school with that nigga too. Shout out my nigga Tavon, man. Shout out my nigga Tavon. Nigga's an internet celebrity now and shit, man.
Yo, that shit funny. Yo, man, we gonna fucking holler. We wildin' out, we tripping. Biatch.
Yes, sir.
You know?
I'm a fly guy, so I like fly things. I'm a fly guy, so I like fly things. I'm a fly guy, so I like fly things. If you're not feeling that, don't kiss my thing. Yours all